We're always so excited to receive great feedback from our satisfied customers. Really, we just want to give every customer a 5-star experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. In short, it's always been our prime objective to make our customers happy. So when they write feedback like this and specifically mention the great customer service they received, it makes us feel like we're meeting that objective. Find out why our customers are so happy and value their experience with us so much, they keep coming back over and over again. We're happy to say we've earned our glowing reviews one customer at a time. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We are only one call away from serving you.